Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel where I'm really freaking irritated today. Jesus. Irritation over here in the seat. Do not flick the camera over. I'm going to let y'all see what's irritating me right now. I got to go to the bathroom too. I will see y'all. Hold the line. Hey guys, welcome back. Guys, she doesn't like when I do that.
I don't.
She doesn't like that. She like, they like crazy stuff. You should say crazy stuff and act crazy. How am I going to do that when I'm a very positive, uplifting person, upbeat person? Not that I'm...
She bougie, snotty, and everything around.
See, that's not nice. Call it and call her on it, y'all. It's not nice. But here I am today. Happy Sunday, guys. And this is my daughter here that was doing all the craziness that making me go crazy in the car and all that good stuff.
She be going crazy.
Y'all, she lost her phone. I'm telling them. She lost her phone in the bins. This girl say, oh, Mom, I want to go to the bins today. I'm like, okay, you're going to be up and we're going to be ready to go like at 9 something. Then when I call her and get here, oh, I'm using the bathroom. Oh, I'm doing this. I'm doing that.
Y'all know how y'all wake up in the morning and it's like your stomach is just like, you got to hurry up and get this out before you do anything.
That is TMI.
No, it's not TMI because we all do it. We all do it, y'all.
We do.
It's normal. I hate when people be like, oh, we can't talk. It's normal.
We do it. We do.
I boo-boo everything. No, I'm just playing.
So anyway, she wasn't ready. I had to wait for like, I'm going to say maybe 7 minutes. That was okay. And then we get to the bench, y'all. She's filming. She's doing all this stuff. I'm ready to go. And remind you guys, I'll show you what I got, but I didn't get a lot. I stuck to my guns. I told y'all recently, she doesn't need anything really. And I got one blessing though. I got one big blessing. Oh, I got two big blessings because one of the blessings is for my mom. So you'll understand. But anyway, she said, oh, I'm ready to go. Guess what? I let her rant. I let her do all her little foolishness and her little shenanigans that she be doing. Her little girl stuff. I'm like, yeah, I'm ready to go. Guess what? It was time to go. Don't walk away. We get ready to check out. Guess what, y'all? Oh my God. Oh, where's my phone? And prior to that, I said, you need to stop leaving y'all cell phone. Y'all too. If y'all on this channel and y'all leave y'all cell phones in y'all back pockets and stuff, it's not good. Guess what? She was like, oh, you complain about everything. You be saying that. And listen, when people know they wrong, they'll start saying you're judging them. They'll start saying you think you something, or, oh my God, you always saying something. You know why they say that? Because they wrong and they should listen to what you say when you're trying to give them some advice. So guess what? We're trying to check out, and guess what's happening? She can't find her cell phone. She's like, oh my God, did you see my phone, Mom? Did you see my phone? Then she's like, oh my God, call it. Let me use your phone to call it. I'm letting her use the phone to call it. She in the bin. As I'm talking to her saying, remember we were down there, then we went over here. Now I'm real calm. She's getting mad because guess what? She real sleepy from last night because she ain't go to bed on time because she knew she had to get up.
I went to sleep at 5 o'clock in the morning.
See, red flag.
After 5 o'clock.
Okay, they don't need red flag, right? You didn't get to sleep. So guess what? When I'm on time, you mad. Why? Because I'm on time. So she tried to play me. Everybody don't do everything right. You know why? Because you ain't on time. Then when she lose her cell phone, and I'm like, look in that bin, because we was over there, could you wait a minute, this and that. She bringing all the attention to herself. I let her do a little thing. Then next thing you know, she like, oh, it would help if you go look. I said, okay.
No.
Look, y'all. She said, it would help if you go look, okay?
I said 2 hands is better.
2 hands is better than one. I said, okay. Just one time. I walked right over there where we came from. I looked down. Guess what? Cell phone. Here's your cell phone. Oh my God, Mom. Okay, you're right. I should have listened and I should have.
Y'all call my cousin. I'm like, can you order your FaceTime?
She calling my niece in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Y'all, this phone is an iPhone 6. It's like one of the first iPhone 6 that came out. And it's been very, very good to me. And I'm So blessed to still
You've
have this
been
phone.
good to
No
me,
cracks on
good
that.
to me.
But it was crazy because
good to me.
I do that all the time.
Good
And she
to
always
me,
complain
good to
like
me.
you gonna regret keeping your phone in your back pocket. But it was just like, you know, like I had a lot going on. I had my
thumbs
tripod.
up this video.
Yeah,
y'all know.
Y'all better like, comment, subscribe to my mom's channel, because if you don't, you're gonna get left in the dirt. Okay?
No dirt. No.
You're gonna get left because her channel gonna be booming.
The channel already booming.
I'm talking about miraculous.
Okay, but anyway, back to what I was saying. Hold the line, please. She was wrong. And guess what? She was mad. But guess what? Did she ever say, "Oh, Mom, I'm sorry. I'm sorry"?
I was just about to say I was sorry too, just now.
No. And guess what? Do you think he says, "Oh, you're right"? No. They don't. Because they know I'll be right. I had an argument with Mark yesterday. No, he talking about, well, sometimes you have to listen to what people say. Still have to hold people accountable. You can listen. I got ears. I'm going to listen. But you're still going to be held accountable. I'm going to wait till you finish talking and wait till you go on your little rant and you start acting crazy and wilding out and stuff. And guess what? I'm going to get you.
Y'all, and another thing is y'all do need to have accountability partner, somebody like really close, like like somebody you've been knowing for years that truly know you and that you trust. Like if something was to happen to you, trust with your life, because they tell you, like they give you honest opinion, you don't feel no type of way because it's not coming from somebody that you don't really care for. Really? So that's just like, really. So that's like if she tell me like you said you was gonna stop doing this. Like my mom is my accountability partner.
Really?
But
I am really. Really on camera? Really? Really on this camera?
Don't get too hype.
Really? Look, y'all. Really? Look. You like that? She like when I really? No.
Yes, I like this side of her because she don't show all the time. So
I am a silly, outgoing person, y'all, but I am very Excuse me.
It made me start thinking about that video when we was in the kitchen.
Hold the line, please. No, let me quit. So anyway, that's what I just wanted to share with y'all. So if y'all in this video today, let me know in the comments, when you tell people stuff, do they get mad? Instead of them saying, "Oh yeah, you're right," do they just be like, so wrong, and they know they wrong, and they just refuse to say, "You were right, and I'm sorry." And guess what? I will never do it again. So guys, with that being said, I will see y'all later because I need to show y'all what I got.
Mommy,
and I need
I'm
to drop.
Sorry, and I apologize.
I receive. Okay. I will see you guys later. Show you what I got. I gotta go to my mom's because I got her 2 matching lampshades today, and I want to get them to her before it gets late. So hold the line, please, and I'll be back. All right, guys. I'm on my way home, but I promised you I would share with you guys what I got. I found both of these, and they were $3 a piece. So I went and I got them. They were originally let me try to show you. They were originally $20. If y'all could see that right here. So that's what I got her, and I'm going to go ahead and get ready to put them on the lamps. I don't know if they can see you, Mom, but you can just wave. You can say hi.
Hello. Hi, this is Mom.
Yeah. All right, y'all, so I just wanted to show y'all that I got her lampshades. And I got the ones that were matching, and they have the holes at the top. So, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once I get home. All right, guys, there's the lamps. That's how they look. I like it. You like it, Mom?
They're pretty.
She like it. Say hi, Mom.
Hello. Yeah, I love my lamps.
Her neck, she said her neck was bothering her, so that's why she has that thing on. All right, guys, I'm back. So I am on my way home, and then I'll show you the few little items that I did get. But my mother was so happy, and I just felt really good that she was happy about her lampshades. So guys, I'm trying to think, I spent like $14 at the Benz. So I got her 2 lampshades, and like I said, once I get home and get situated and stuff, then I'll show you guys what I did buy. Yeah, so hope you guys are enjoying this vlog today, and I'll see you once I get home. And you guys can see, sorry for the camera shaking, but if you can see behind me, it is snowing. Really bad. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but it's snowing outside. I'll see you guys. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you really quick what she got for $14. So I got my mom's 2 lampshades. I also picked up this Hearth and Home, Magnolia Home, or whatever it's called. Gold and black wood framed. I think it's so cute, y'all. Look at that. I'm gonna swap out one of my picture frames that's in the hallway and place it with this and get rid of the other one. I like that. So I got that, and I also picked up this gray and black spatula set, and I'm trying to see where you can see where it says Magnolia Home or something. Like right in here, it says Magnolia Home on both of them, like right there. So I got these. I love the fact that dark bamboo and it's gray and it's black. Well, charcoal gray and black. I got these two. I also picked up this Method Man deodorant for Mark. Always natural, like y'all know I love it. And the only thing, it was just missing something right here, but it's never been used, as you can see, and it still can maneuver. It still doesn't affect how it goes. See how it goes up? And then I can pull it back down. So I got that for $1. And I got another black curtain rod, guys, that matches the other one. So the one in the living room window and the picture window, the front window, I'm going to replace the one that's up there with this one because this has an extension, like so. So it only came with one bracket here. It only came with one of these brackets, which is okay because this has the extension. It's going to be able to hold with the two brackets, and I can take the one that's in the middle of it now and use it to place this one in the bedroom facing the back, because I'm gonna be looking for one more, because what I did was the ones that I got up there, guys, it's just like, it was just temporary until I can find some more matching to these. So I really like these because they have the real pretty dark matte black finish, and then they have these knobs, and then I'll have a matching set for all of them. So, you know, as I like it, everything to be matching. So yeah, so I got these. And like I said, I don't know how much she charged me for. Oh, she charged me $1 because it was missing one of these. And then, guys, last but not least, I found this 100% cotton robe, white robe, guys. It's so funny because I've been praying and looking for a white robe that was really warm. I didn't want that plush stuff because it's polyester and acrylic, and it's not good for your skin. This is 100% cotton, guys, and it's the Threshold brand, and it's a small medium, and it's just so super pretty. It has like gray on the sleeves or whatever. So let's try her on so you guys can see. I think she's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at that plush. Yes. Oh my gosh, y'all. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my God. I love this. I love it. So guys, yeah, this is all I hauled today. I wasn't gonna go, but my daughter wanted to go. So I made it happen and we did it. And let me know what you think, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Don't forget, love yourself so that you will love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Simply Natural Black Life. Guys, I hope you all are having an amazing day because it's a great day in the neighborhood. It's a great day. So if you're interested in how's my day going today, hold the line, please.